In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create EVM wallet address in MetaMask. First, download MetaMask from the official website or your browser's add-on store. It's available for Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge, and there's also a mobile app if you prefer using your phone. Make sure you're installing the official extension from the verified publisher to avoid scams. Once it's installed, open MetaMask and you'll be guided through a quick setup. When MetaMask launches, choose Create a New Wallet. You'll be asked to set a password. This password protects access on your device, so make it strong and unique. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything you reuse elsewhere. Remember, this password can be reset later with your recovery phrase, but it's still important to keep it safe. Next, MetaMask will show you your 12-word secret recovery phrase. This phrase is the master key to your wallet. Anyone who has it can control your funds, and if you lose it, MetaMask can't restore it for you. Write the phrase down carefully, in order, on paper, or another offline medium. Do not take a screenshot or store it in Cloud Notes. Keep it somewhere only you can access, and consider creating a backup copy stored in a separate secure location. MetaMask may ask you to confirm the words to ensure you save them correctly. Take your time here. With setup complete, your wallet is ready and your primary EVM address is created. This public address starts with 0x and appears at the top of the MetaMask interface. You can click it to copy. It's safe to share this public address. It's what others use to send you funds. If you plan to move ETH or other compatible tokens from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance, paste this exact 0x address into the withdrawal field. Always choose the matching network for the asset you're sending, and consider sending a small test amount first to confirm everything looks right. To manage your wallet day to day, click the MetaMask extension icon in your browser. From there, you can view your assets, send funds, and connect to websites that support crypto. When connecting to a site, review the prompt, make sure you trust the website and only approve what you intend to. You'll also see your address at the top whenever you open MetaMask, which makes it easy to copy for receiving payments or deposits. And that's it. You've downloaded MetaMask, created your wallet with a strong password, secured your secret recovery phrase offline, copied your 0x public address for deposits, explored the extension, and confirmed where your primary EVM address is displayed. You're now set up to use MetaMask safely and confidently.